Good morning, I'm Avishka Thadani, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, we will cover Apple unveils iPhone 16 series with advanced AI features. Amazon teases massive Great Indian Festival sale for 2024. Pixel 9 Pro Fold highlights ongoing challenges with foldable phones. SpaceX plans first uncrewed Starship mission to Mars within 2 years. Chrome users need to update browser to avoid security risks. New Apple Intelligence features delayed until iOS 18.2. Meta to make WhatsApp and Messenger work with other apps in European Union. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you the question, what is the full form of email? The answer to which is electronic mail. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What does GUI stand for? Think you know the answer? We want to hear it from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We'll reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. So stay tuned to see if you've got it right. Let's start with the first news. Apple is set to reveal its latest iPhone 16 series in a highly anticipated event today. Dubbed Glow Time, the launch will showcase new AI capabilities aimed at boosting sales. The iPhone 16 will feature Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI-driven tools for image editing, translation, and enhanced messaging. Siri, Apple's digital assistant, is also getting an upgrade to become more interactive and integrated across the world. This iPhone launch is crucial for Apple, which depends heavily on iPhone sales, contributing to about 60% of its $39 billion revenue last quarter. The company is also making strides in its manufacturing strategy. For the first time, the iPhone 16 will be produced in India and available globally shortly after its release. The move highlights Apple's efforts to diversify production and ongoing geopolitics tensions. The iPhone 16 series is expected to compete closely with Google's AI-enhanced Pixel 9 and Samsung's AI advancement. Apple hopes these new features will attract new customers and revive interest in their flagship device. In the next news, we have Amazon, which has hinted at its biggest festive sale of the year, the Great Indian Festival, coming soon. The announcement follows Flipkart's teaser of its Big Billion Days sale starting from September 29. While details are still under wraps, the Great Indian Festival is expected a major feature discount on wide range of products including smartphones, electronics, home appliances and furniture. Special deals for certain bank card users and daily lightning deals are also anticipated. This sale is also likely to last several days with early access for Prime members. Last year's sale included significant discounts on high-end smartphones like the iPhone 13 and Galaxy S23. With the iPhone 16 launch imminent, shoppers can expect great offers on the iPhone 15 series and possibly price cuts on new models from Samsung and OnePlus. Keep an eye out for more updates on this major e-commerce event. In the next news, we have Pixel 9 Pro Fold underscores the persistent issues facing foldable smartphones. Despite their innovative design, these devices still struggle with app compatibility and usability. Many Android users aren't optimized for their foldable screens, leading to an awkward experience like games being cropped or websites being poorly scaled. While Google promotes the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's larger screens for multitasking, the killer app for foldables remains elusive. Users often find foldables useful for specific tasks like accessing desktops, websites, or multitasking with multiple apps. However, this lack of a perfect design means each user's experience is different. Foldable phones are evolving. The new model like Pixel 9 Pro adopting similar designs to competitors. Although these devices offer unique advantages, they still face challenges, including high prices and incomplete software optimization. Now, we have Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, who has announced that SpaceX aims to launch its first uncrewed Starship mission to Mars within 2 years. Aligning with the next Earth-Mars transfer window, this mission will test rocket's capability to land safely on Mars. If successful, crewed flights will begin within 4 years with the goal of establishing a self-sustaining city on Mars within 20 years. Musk emphasized that the key to making the life multiplanetary involves drastically reducing the cost of transporting payloads to Mars. Currently, it costs $1 billion per ton, but Musk's aim to lower this to $1 lakh per ton. SpaceX's recent advancement include the third test flight of its 400-foot tall Starship rocket. Musk's long-term vision includes shifting up to 1 million people to Mars and establishing a moon base and Martian cities. Now we have the Indian Cyber Computer Emergency Response CERT, which has issued a high-risk warning for Google Chrome users. The agency reports several security vulnerabilities in Chrome that could allow hackers to execute arbitrary code on your computer. These issues are caused by flaws in web, audio, and V8 components. The vulnerabilities affect Chrome versions on Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. CERT advises users to update their browsers immediately to protect against potential attacks. Google has released updates for Chrome to address these issues with versions 128.0.6613.119/.120 for Windows and Mac. This update will be rolled out over the next few days and weeks. Users could also update their browsers as soon as possible to ensure that their systems are secure. For the next news, we have Apple's new image playground and Gen-emoji feature, initially expected in iOS 18.1. This will now be available in iOS 18.2, which is anticipated in December. According to Gurman's Power On newsletter, these features will enhance how users create and customize images with emojis. Image Playground allows users to generate original images from description or photo library content and customize them for use in apps like Messages or Keynote. Genmoji enables users to create custom emojis based on description or photo library images directly from keyboard. iOS 18.1 is set for release in October, will include early Apple Intelligence features such as advanced writing tools, notification summaries, and a new cleanup tool for photos. Initially, these features will be available in English on iPhone 15 Pro models. Additional languages will be added later. Now, Meta is set to make its messaging apps, WhatsApp and Messenger, interoperable with other platforms like iMessage, Telegram and Signal in Europe. This move is required under EU's Digital Markets Act. In the EU, users will now be able to integrate these external apps into WhatsApp and Messenger with options to keep chats separate or combine them into one inbox. The integration will support rich messaging features including reaction, read receipts. Now, group chats will be available in 2025 and voice call, video calls will follow in 2027. Meta will use the Signal protocol for encryption, but third-party apps must integrate it and get Meta's approval. While these changes are for the European Union only, it's uncertain if Meta will expand this feature globally. This was all about today's news. I'll see you with another episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IT Voice.